this video, I will show you how to hide data and formulas in Microsoft Excel. So we have here three columns, one for January, one for February, and one for March sales. At the end of this column, we have a total summation that displays the value of the first quarter report. Now, first, how to hide the data in Microsoft Excel. Let's say, for example, I want to hide the sets of input from January to March. If that's the case, we can actually use right click and then go to Format Cells. Under Format Cells, we can go to Custom tab and change this type. We need to enter 3 semicolon, typing 1, 2, 3 semicolons. Click OK, and it will hide the data in this selected cells. If you try to double click on the cell, we still have the value there. You can see that at the top inside the formula bar as well. However, with the use of format cells, custom, we can simply hide them and it will not be seen in this table. If I need to display it again, right click by highlighting the selected cells again, format cells, go back to custom and remove 3 semicolons, set up the number format, and then click OK. So it will be displayed again in this table. Next, what if I need to hide the formulas in the spreadsheet? As you notice, every time you click on a specific cell, you can see the formula or the cell value at the top inside the formula bar. So how do we hide them? If you need to hide values and formulas, you need to highlight the data, right click, and then go to Format Cells again. Under Format Cells, you need to check or click the Protection tab. Inside the Protection tab, you have Lock and Hidden checkboxes. When you say Lock, Excel will not allow any end user to edit data from B3 to E7. When you check Hidden, Excel will hide all the cell values and formulas from B3 to E7, and you cannot see that in the formula bar as well. If you check both, click OK button, you go to Review tab, and click the Protect Sheet button to activate the lock and hidden property of the cell reference. Click Protect Sheet. In this area, you just need to type password 123. So type it 123, click OK, retype it 123, click OK. Now, if you click on that cell, cannot see any formula at all, cannot see any data at all as well. When the end user double click on the cell, they cannot change any of that cell reference because that is locked as well. But if the end user select any blank cell, they can, by default, lock property is also enabled, so they cannot change any of the values in the blank cell. How do we remove this? You just need to go back to review, select unprotect sheet, and then type the password. For example, 123, enter. And now you can edit it again if you want to make some changes. Usually we use this function if we need to create templates in Microsoft Excel in order to secure our data and Excel formulas. And that's it for this sample.